According to the latest reports on the impacts of climate change in the UK, the risk of flooding is set to increase due to rising sea levels, coastal erosion, and increasingly severe and frequent rainstorms. With over 25 years in environmental services, Andel has gained a wealth of experience and expertise in the science and technology of protecting the built and natural environments. Combine Andel's early flood warning system, Andel's revolutionary perimeter flood defense, and Andel's industry-unique alarm and automatic flood pump, and you have the ultimate protection for buildings and protected areas at risk from flooding. Andel Flood Alert is an early flood warning system for properties not covered by the Environment Agency flood warning system. Andel Flood Alert sends email and text alerts to give you time to take evasive action to protect your property. Andel Flood Alert is the ideal and cost-effective early warning system for single and multiple properties at risk of flooding through rising groundwater. Andel Flood Wall is a modular design for ease of transportation and quick on-site assembly and is installed in a similar way to conventional perimeter fencing. Andel Flood Wall has been designed and tested to meet the requirements of British Standard BS 8511-881-2019 for flood-resistant products. Andel Flood Wall, the cost-effective, environmentally friendly solution for perimeter flood defence. Andel Flood Pump is an industry-unique automatic flood pump system that can be deployed inside or out, protecting buildings and protected areas at risk from flooding. The system works continuously and automatically 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Andel Flood Pump is an integrated solution for automatic flood pump activation, text alarms and notifications, and control of flood defence closure equipment. The system comprises of an insertion unit, a wall-mounted control unit, and up to 2 flood pumps. The robust stainless steel insertion unit with integrated floodwater pump is located below ground level and is equipped with a number of probes that can be set to varying levels based on a flood risk assessment. The wall-mounted control unit recognises conductivity between the probes and can automatically perform a multitude of functions and can be configured to fit individual requirements based on a flood risk assessment. When rising water levels reach a predetermined height, the system automatically pumps out floodwater. The standard pump operates at a rate of 150 litres per minute. The system can also operate 2 pumps, either alternating to share the load or running simultaneously as a booster system during a severe flood event. There is also an option to install larger capacity pumps if required. The system can send text alarm notifications to designated mobile devices to inform that the system is active and protecting the property. Andel Flood Pump can also automatically control a range of anti-flood equipment, such as floodgates, flood doors, and drain flap closure devices. Following a flood event, when the water level falls below the activation level, the flood pump or pumps are automatically switched off. Closure devices remain closed until manually opened to avoid any external floodwater re-entering the protected area. The system continues to monitor water levels, and if the water level rises again in the insertion unit, the cycle automatically repeats. All pumps require regular servicing by a qualified engineer. The system continually monitors the performance of the pump or pumps and will send out text alerts if any problems are detected between service visits. Andel Flood Pump, the industry-unique solution for automatic pump activation, text notifications, and automatic activation of flood defence closure equipment.